One coloring book TV, you know, say a puppy than there. I know a long time I don't get a brand new movie, but right now we're there with a brand new movie. What you call coloring book? She not there, man. Tell them how go on.
One coloring book represents for coloring book TV, and you see a movie in name Still in Love with My Ex. Finishing up then.
Just watch your movie at the end. We have a bag of things to talk about in our outro, so just check it out. Coloring book TV.
For the people and only for the people. I'm one big up. You see the fans of my loyal, we stay and not going away. Big up Coloring Book TV. Coloring Book TV for the people and only for the people. Brrr.
Babes.
What's too bad, better the truth. I'm tired now, but I enjoy yesterday.
Babes, I'm tired.
I know they really. I enjoy yesterday, man. Especially if I look at dinner theater. I never have a man who do that for me before. You understand?
Yes.
So it kind of show more a different side, you know.
Babes.
I don't talk about it dinner, man. It dinner good, but... Babes.
What?
For your keeper where you use for the football field last night. And where you get a keeper from?
I don't know.
Every shoot him block me. Jesus Christ.
You a talk about keeper? You wear me out, man. You wear me out. You need that to angle me, say, no?
Raw dog.
Bad to bad, you need that to angle me, so.
Babes, you know so me a soak like a oat last night.
I enjoy myself, man.
Jesus Christ, babe.
Say up to it for today again?
Lord God. Today an idea.
If it's sun hot, rain, shine,
Babes, me go link public first, babes.
Time of public. But anything, me understand.
Babes. So you want to tell me a 7 times last night you run and reach a
matter,
destination.
I want to go 10.
And you want to run again?
I want to go 10.
Jesus
How much football are there on one side?
Me not play 11, you know. And me and you alone play last night, you know.
Even then we need to go to 11, you know.
What?
Yeah. The last one you got score. What you say? You think it's time for me all a mini me?
So hold on, man. You can't mind your level, pitney.
B, it no matter. I love do it.
You know, my granny always tell me, say, when rain a fall in your day, you don't cool room and I want browning. If you can't keep up, cut.
Right. And you can't keep up, so. You ready for tonight?
Boy, I keep up in about sometime. I care of the service, you know, babes.
You ready for tonight, yes or no? Because I'm ready, you know. Action, me say. But we will have to go out again, though. One of the day. But tonight, make sure say you drink up a little. Remember some blend juice in there for everything.
Babes,
so
that 2,600 I spent last night, you know.
And?
You know how much taxi me have for one trip me have for one to make that? Make it stay till weekend, man. Oh, God, man. Time hard, babe, man.
I'm not saying nothing. Everything good.
Time hard.
Oh, Jesus, I'm going to relax.
You tired?
Little bit. You don't wear me out last time, but I still want the other round them.
Thank you, Jesus.
You know hear me say? I still want the other rounds them.
Yeah, hello? Yeah. No, you know, so not public, this is a public, virgin. Public. Why public always I give people my number? 1 second, babes. I don't like public style in a youth. You don't have a phone. Yeah, hello, yeah, where you saying? You want to leave a message? Who is this?
Hello, this is Coloring Book.
Yeah, this is Coloring Book. Who is this, please?
This is Johnny.
You can repeat again for me, please?
Johnny, you don't remember me?
I want Johnny's me know, you know.
The same Johnny, you know. Is she talking to you?
Oh God, how she get my number? I'm glad for your voice, man. Why pray? But hold on there. Almost 2 years now here and had now I hear from you. From I leave Kingston and come down here in Negril.
tell us how you want to come make life. And you say you not leave Kingston. Anyway, why pray?
I'm here and send me a gear show because from long time I hear from you, but never know if I don't get to school, but I'm glad I get you. I don't want to look a problem.
You know one problem? Wait, you get locked up? You get locked up?
No, like, you not deal with me right, but just stressful, you know?
Who not deal with it right?
My boyfriend.
Oh, your brother? Oh, a relationship problem that man. A relationship problem that man. Oh, so you want to talk?
Yeah.
So, oh, you want to talk?
Yeah, I want to talk because it's just so the boyfriend not did right.
Well, I can't listen to what you say, because at least I owe it to you if you can't listen to what you say for 5 minutes, you know. And furthermore, me and my baby, you know, my boo, there are going all a reason, you see me? So where you say public there now?
They are post me, want to fight me off and something, and I can't bother with him, but I want to move from yard, I want to move.
Oh, you want to move from public yard?
Yeah, I want to move, so it stress me out bad.
Okay. I'm sorry to hear that, man. So how can I help you? How can me try work out the situation? How can I help you?
I wouldn't mind if you could rent a little apartment for me. I don't appreciate.
Okay. Oh. So you want to ask me now if I can ask public like our relationship now work out and we can rent a place? Fear?
No, don't go to him, go ask him nothing. You don't have to go to him. You can just make me talk over it and just if you can help me.
Alright, yeah man. As me say, you know me now want a relationship. You see me, and I really want to help you so I can talk to him about that and get a place, man. For rent where you can come down here, you see me?
Yeah.
Alright, me tell you what. Me I go call you back here.
Alright.
Yeah man, me I go call you back, man. Alright, me call you back. Yeah, alright. She get me number. How she get me number?
B.
Yes, babes.
What happened?
Boy, may I tell you, you see sometimes when you have some friend in your life, they have to put you in one spot, you know.
Oh wow, what happened? What public do again?
Boy, no really nothing public to do to me, you know, man. You look run around them. When you have east, west, north and south, you know this one get me number and call me.
So how she get your number?
Why I don't know if a public game, I don't know if you take out a public phone, I tell you the truth. But you must say man public now live good. And you want me to talk to public where can rent a place where move out till the man public fix up back.
So how you have to move out him and no man for a time house? You know say I may have a problem for that
I go move him out. You want me to talk to public. If you tell public say like how the relationship now work out, then public just rent him a local place, tell him fix up back things kind of afraid of public.
There's not to worry three business board up right now. So come on. I'm ready.
Go on, me I come babes.
No, I'm like ready now for the other around them.
Eh?
Ready now for the other around them. Come on.
Babes, go on. Beard, put on your favorite. Me soon come. Watch out now. Come here, baby.
I try to lay out the thing, you know. Boyfriend, man. No, you know.
Babes, me I go link public and come back here.
Whatever.
Put on your favorite one. Me soon come here.
Whatever.
Alright, baby. Public.
Governor, what going?
Are you me I come check, you know? Jesus Christ, my friend, man. Are you me I come check? What going?
They are easy as usual. Wait for punch if you forward, but no. Just not forward. You sometimes just can't put the trust in certain people start.
I say you're there for a little while.
Don't tell nobody, you know. You understand what I say, but me have black salt or something.
Public.
If you want 3 weeks, you know. Lip seal.
Yeah, you see me?
Yeah, man, that vibe.
You want to know my father? You don't even know if it start. You know, so when I leave Kingston and come down here, remember say I'm a relationship, I leave out and come down here. But the lady who I'm in love with at the time, I tell her, say, come out west, come make life. You know, Kingston, we hot, Spanish town. One other and them thing there, hot. Him say him now forward a nigga, because nigga a gigolo place. And him
that them really say? Oh,
so me come down here now, come start a life. When me come down here, me up on the site, up a low so I build a grand palladium. And then I saw me buck fatty. Care for me everything in a one. And me there a place and we all live good. To be honest, me have a little bit, not much, a little bit of feelings here. See me, because I'm a good woman. No, she don't know how she get my number.
So hold on, what you playing? Yo guys, right now you talk, me a read into certain things, but alright, finish.
That's why I come check you, man.
Finish.
She said she want to come here, man.
Hey, bum, guys.
Him and his boyfriend now go and go.
Hey!
One more thing. If Mama say nothing to you, I tell him, say, I want you run up and down, then call my phone. I may talk to him and call you and sound
so hold on. Yeah, what you really planning for right now? You really plan to accept back that one if you come mash up your life and all them something there?
No,
You not settle with that one, yeah?
He say man I beat him and then I live good and
Are you my beat?
What?
Eh? You my beat you?
You look like a me my beat.
So we are feel, it come like you take a feeling there. Eh? I belt, yo.
Well, let me ask you something. You want to look at woman where you have. The one where you ain't go catch up so with the bad boy up a red gun. You ain't love one day.
So I can't bring up about that, brother. I tell
you, beat me, man.
No, but I tell you, say, yo, you see, I want to be Belgian and Belgian. You never tell Belgian your story, you know. Because you use back for me.
No, me no use back.
Man, I laugh off of me right now. You see, yo, me a Belgian, you know, and I say you deal with me. No, right now, I'm in the business who want to hear you, because, look, if you're looking at the window right now, it's a 2 eye. You understand me? I say, that China man, I love look out that place. But listen me, I say, here. Don't bring up that story.
No, bring up
bring up feelings and memories, man.
No,
you know what she deal with me, bro? Eh? You remember what she deal with me? You come here, I can remember them sitting there. What you think me there, Sado?
You know what say? No, you say me finna bring up your back. Me see him there, but me not gonna tell you nothing. Cause you say me finna bring up your back. A belly, me see me do there.
You see me the belly?
Jesus Christ.
What kind of belly? Eh? Big belly?
Why me no know if a belly?
Belly when you food.
Archie, I don't know. I don't look. I don't want to bring up about that because I don't want your back.
No, man. What you mean, say belly? What kind of belly you talk about? You come off your business, you come bring up about my business. Without I say sometimes I don't like when people find me, you know. I don't have a call, put sentence in the bad forward, because I'm killing me when you come here.
You don't have to call him. Jesus. Oh, God. You really call him for sure? Jesus.
Ponce. No bother come down here, so I don't know with you, no allow me alone, you know. Send back my money, come give me send up yeah, for your card. Yes, more back my money. And that me I tell you. Send back my money, come. And let me see you a problem in that place. That me I tell you. What you mean someone get so corrupt? What you talk about? Corrupt about what? Me no bother want you, that me I tell you. Yeah, go tell your brother them, me no give yo. Mister, come off my phone.
Public him brother bad man, you know.
So no business. Me no business right now.
Public, what me fi do? What me fi do? What me fi do?
I know, yo, alright. Stop out of this answer. Because I don't know why you bring up with that girl right
Sorry
now.
Man, sorry man. Me never know if you still up. Sorry man.
What me think if you do is just tell the girls if you have a good time, you know, and continue technique and then backstitch and a bother going like you're idiot and make you come down and so and mash up your life. How the girl look? Right? As a matter of fact, because you always talk about her and rate it, you know. But we not even know how the girl look if I go like, So you say plan for that? You plan to make you come now? Yeah man, you can do.
So now you just tell me
yeah man, things we used to do, we do that no more. You know, past is the past, make it pass, go on. Listen to me I say. Make you forward. And make sure even let me see picture of people now. So make sure if push come shove, it's that room you run so. Me go lick off that board there and get her cool breeze.
So now you just tell me if you not making come.
When she come in, she will have cool breeze so me will stay and she will stay over there so make she forward.
Alright, you are going on now, me making turn in your place.
Yeah man,
so me making come for a week or 2 weeks.
3 weeks. 3 weeks. Yeah,
3 weeks?
Yeah, because sometimes it's a long journey. 1 week come down, 1 week forget to know a place, and next week for kind of familiar with it.
Are you responsive, you know?
Brother, I have a problem with that, man.
And one more thing, you say if you 3 weeks up and you know find one man or you know find a work, send him up back, okay, click up at town and make him man beat out.
Man, you know, no violence to woman, man. We do them something, man.
No, me never say you feel like him or...
man, make sure come, I say, woman, if you cut it, no say, hey, you hear me? No say, so, no, I not say me say, you know, but I want me to go say. See, when a woman, I go through them thing and them time, you have to give them, you know, like, you know, I'm say comfort. Because not because them go through a lot in their life, that means that them body and them something, you know. Then just go through one little phase. So what we can do is just make it work.
Alright, me make him come.
Yeah, man, make him come down, man. Me have a friend, you know, so I have to help you, know.
Public. Out of the whole of woman you go through in your life, you never there with a woman where...
Yo, you going back at this again. Don't... Yo,
no, man, a question me ask.
No, but anything you talk about significance, importance, and all them something that...
You want to hear me I say? You want to hear me I say? You never there with a woman where every night you want her. All in a day you want her.
Girl.
Jesus Christ, I'm going to call on the phone again. You come.
Girl. You better come down here, you know. Yeah. I'm going to send you 5 more thousand. Yeah, man. Later I will see if we can join a long line to go to KFC. Yeah. Come now. Yeah. Alright. This is something my brain, you want to settle my brain, more want to be comfortable, you know. But anyway, just make you forward, man. I don't keep up your time.
You don't answer my question, public.
Which one, me
I say if you never there with a woman where every night she want.
Yeah, man.
Every day she want.
So that's why I call back Punsy every night, and that's a good thing about it.
So what you do? How you keep up your body? You buy tonic, what you do?
Water. Water is life. Tonic sometimes run out and you can't find water.
I don't know who me can't tell about.
Hey, me talk to you, bro. Water. Garlic. You see garlic tea? I just because people don't understand the herbs and the roots of the world, you know. So just go and do your thing, man. Water and garlic.
I will check mama, you know. I check mama. Look more.
Make sure you go and market and go buy garlic. Garlics.
Public.
Yeah.
A 7 month belly girl have me see my year, you know. No say me say, you know.
Ah, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Jenny, what happened? Yeah, Johnny's, what's up? Coloring book.
Yeah, I know
Yeah, what going on now? I just go help you out in a situation because you say you and your boyfriend can you fight and argue and you just want to come spend a little time and chill out and something. So, yeah, man, I have a little place where you can jump for 1 week, 2 weeks. You see me? Next thing, meanwhile too, if you get a work, you can try to get a work too. You see me, rent a place and maybe can start a life down here, you see me? You understand? So, you know me have my woman and everything, you know? Me have mama in my life, so sorry you couldn't jam, but I just make you get a place gear, you see me? You can go and build back and everything. You understand?
we work with that, man.
What you saying, work with that?
Yeah.
Alright, so what you say, can I drive this evening or first in the morning? Morning. Alright, just do your right thing, man. You see me?
Yeah.
Alright, big up yourself here. Alright. What I don't fire writing me I do. Granny always tell me to help people, you know. And plus how many was a good man to me when me in Kingston, you know. But check fatty now. Oh, God. Father, God help me. Mama! Babes!
What?
Babes,
What?
Come like a smell me. Come. What make you said say?
Me then already away by all and you gone look for public. Everything are public. Public this, public that.
You not ready again?
No, everything are public this, public that. No, man.
I make some in there. From what I do, me I warm up, you know. You want to see me what I do, I warm up.
Where you come from? Where you go hit? Where story now?
You are going on now, babes. Why? What is public? Public business are public business. But public business are female your business because I want a relationship. But I don't want to tell a public business because I have to tell her because I want you check so I tell a lie. So I going to tell a public business not because I want to tell a public business, but because I'm a woman, I'm a babe, so I have to tell a public business. Boy, I talk to public. Public say man and woman and get along, but he still love him. They love them one another, so he just go rent one local place, put her till they can fix about their relationship.
So what public do to she make all of a sudden they not get along?
Good question, but me never ask him for them thing. The reason why I go in at that, because she put me in that. So she call me and I go talk to public.
You could have me turn and wait. Me tell us I'm ready. Me tell us I did want something again and you gone.
But you just say I want you again.
I know I'm not even no talking with you because I realize say public more important to you than me.
You say so, man.
He more important to you than me, obviously.
No make people make you never hear that.
Then everything public. As they run, as nothing happen. Public me, I got public me this public that.
Oh, how attack, how you enjoy last night, how I mash up the football field and...
Right, I did want to enjoy this morning for you mash up the football field again. What you do?
Me mash up for your field, me no mash up nobody else's field. Me straight on the white line. Alright, anyway, so me I say now, tomorrow me and public I will deal with a local situation.
Again, public.
Public, you and public never have a good relationship as my brethren.
Yeah, me ain't good, but every time me want for me time.
Because me no love man, you know.
Me want for me time every minute you gonna public.
Public I'm a brethren. Me no love man, and you me love.
What you say I'm have to do?
I feel in business, you know, tell me the whole information, you know. So tomorrow, you say you just want me can go see if we can get a place and something. So you know, give me the whole information. Matter of fact, you know, so I will tell public say me nah bother go. Because I don't like when you bex, you know. But hold on, why do you not have a problem public help me out, you know?
That's true.
I last thing I will do for public here.
I don't know last. No say that you say it already.
Me say it already?
Yes, you say you're gonna do the last thing already. That's the last week and see
last
again.
week, so.
You come back with this.
Alright, this is the last thing. When I go do film now, the last thing. Here, babes? Alright, me I go bathe. Me soon come.
Alright.
Alright.
There, wait.
Babes, what time for your phone?
2 o'clock. What happened? Where what time for?
No. I don't watch the time, you know, but think serious and now you have to know the time.
You have to know time. So where you go?
You know, so I go up on the road, go tell public deal and look at one thing.
Public, boy, chow. Anyways, what you tell me from yesterday?
Well, I'm glad you know, so I'm glad you remember. But
I wish I did just forget about it. At your yard.
You don't look away.
So where you a public, you gonna meet, you remember?
No, I'm not going to meet public. I'm follow public. But somewhere. So you look at barrel clothes and when I get you look at all broke them when I get
you look good, you look good.
That more here.
Nothing wrong, but I don't like when they come you look somebody out the road.
Alright. I will show you something now. Look nobody out the road.
Yeah, I'm Steve Urkel, man. So if you stay.
That better?
Yes.
Nobody no want me when me stay, say
Yeah.
no. Not true, baby?
Yeah.
Love you here?
Yeah, love
so
you too.
come. Jesus Christ. What? Feel like me a Steve Urkel. Where say you reaching High Park? Alright. Me a send a bike.
Where you go?
Bike taxi run?
Yeah man, a bike taxi me I go. Which side you go?
You know a bus park? I pick up a lady in a bus park. Hold on baby. May pick up a lady in a bus park for me? Yeah man. Hold on. You mean a white shirt? Yeah man. Just come out right at the bus park. And at the tree that's so. Yeah man. Alright.
$300 here man.
$300?
Give me 4. Give me 4. Cause I discount me that give, but you don't want it, so just give me $400.
Oh, so you go for my
$400.
Alright. Tell me what color you in? What dress? Oh, one tie and dye. The bag of red and dark blue. Okay, alright. Yeah. So what you know in a one?
So she reach in a bus park
She
already,
right
if she in a taxi come down and me have to go out to go wait. Extra money that you know.
Alright, 300.
400 me
4,
say,
1, 2, 3, 4. 400.
At 300 this in a try style me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, so I say you count it. Alright, 4. So
Yeah, man.
extra upon it. Yeah.
So me pick her up and left her back right.
Right, that's all. Hurry up,
Yeah,
please.
me father.
Here.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Public there now. Yeah, my father, man.
Yeah man, enough respect man.
Respect. How do your name?
Are your wife this?
Yeah, man.
Oh, come
My cousin.
Oh,
What do you name? Give me a number.
number.
Give me a number. You can.
Pop it on my name man, 7992758.
I call
Just
you
call me
tomorrow.
anytime when you want bike taxi.
Yeah, I call you tomorrow and buy a big extra beer here.
And if a free thing, nobody call me.
No, I don't do that.
Alright.
Alright, big up yourself here. Yeah, man.
Nice meeting
Yeah,
you
man.
here.
Yeah.
Next
Same
time I
to
see
you.
you, I'll take your number here.
Alright.
Alright.
So I pray.
There, no.
You not long to see me? Oh God. Could you as a come and nigga one man like you? A bike man you make money you know. Oh, bike man make money you know. At 3 grand me give him to come pick up you and look in your hand already.
My feet, man.
Bike man make money.
Every day they make money.
Come on. I go check with Virgin public. So town.
Why I be a problem with me and my man?
Me can't see it cause you look stressed out and something. So me never check say your relationship I move nice and something cause me shock when me see you call me and something you know. Me I wonder what go on.
Nah, move good. That go on.
Hold on there. Remember me tell up on the phone say me have no woman you know. So you wanna know and I'm a bridging. Me forget a money fortnight so when I'm a bridging place. Me go make you stay till me get money. Me rent one place to give you for a month. Till you can try get a work and try balance by your own. So me just make you know again. Come on.
Me see what go on.
So you not get no youth yet. Oh, General, I one thing with you always up on the front, you know.
Waiting patiently, man, cause you know what I mean. Oh, hello, how you doing, man?
Hi.
How you doing? My name is Public. Come in, come in. What? Association.
In shy, but what like you need when me introduce you.
No, man. You know, at the end of the day, it's not about introduction. It's about the facts. You know, I mean, in public, you know.
My bridging, public. Because me and public in a local place to rent and we couldn't get no place. So him say him just make us stay till me get the money when me I tell about next week for rent the place give for 1 month. So you see the 1 month now you can try get a place where you can come for you.
So we are palm me back so far.
No, I am a ladies gentleman and I just want to take you back for carry in the place to make you comfortable.
As a public stay man, public just love ladies them. You know?
So
good youth.
Thank you for loving ladies, but yes, no. You want me to stay with him?
No, you have to stay with my bridging.
No, me no want to stay with him. Are you me want to stay with that kind of style that?
But hold on there. Hold on there. Roundabout. But me tell you on the phone, say me have my lady, and me tell you just a minute ago before we reach, So you go stay with Bridging.
Excuse me a second. Yeah.
Remember, say me tell you on the phone. Say me have my woman.
Yeah, Ponce, come in and Ponce.
Me go rent a place, get but through the money now. Come through. Him go make you stay for
Yeah,
1
man.
week. Till when me get the pay, me rent the place and you stay for 1 month.
Me?
What
Me
time?
nah stay with him. Me nah.
Oh, that guy that want me take up on myself.
Me not stay with no
Just
Bridging.
a second. Alright, so me will talk to you. Yeah?
1 second, me ask one. How am you now, Daddy?
I don't really say I don't want to stay here, so. But Ponce, remember Ponce, I talk about Ponce are forward.
What?
Ponce are forward now, so I mean, think you can. What she, as me say, are your cousin. Your cousin this. Read in between.
What
the
you mean
lines.
I'm a cousin?
Listen, me say, man, your cousin. Carry me your yard.
I know my cousin and my ex.
Yes, but in this case, yeah, call this your cousin. You understand?
Hold on there. She no want to stay with you and you no want. Wait.
Me no want. No, I'm not bother. Me no bother right now, cause.
What you mean? I'm
Ponce are forward.
I'm my cousin. I'm my ex.
Yeah, but you have figured to. Where she go stay now? You put him in a hotel. You have hotel money.
No money.
Exactly. So what you gonna do? You have to carry me a yard, make your woman know say.
Hey!
Your cousin, and you know you meet him down the road and long time reunion. It's a reunion.
You can't tell Fatty that.
You better tell Fatty that.
Jesus Christ.
Is that you tell Fatty that, or Fatty tell you something across your face? So is that are you decide?
Jesus
Cause
Christ.
this a girl, I mean understand why no one come stay in my yard, but everything good. Ponce come.
Yeah, follow me go down with Fatty.
No sir.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, no man is an island, but you want to have to stand alone.
What me I go do? That me I go do?
Yes, man. Just deal with it, man.
If you say Fatty I go buy.
What you mean? Alright, you see, one of the greatest things in life is customer service. How you sell stuff, or you put it in a package. Because guess what now? You say bread, everybody sell bread. But I want bread company make it one
Hello,
money.
1 second, please. 1 second.
You understand? So you have to package it custom story.
Alright. Write it, give me. Me can write it. How much for put it?
Right?
Yeah. No, just tell me.
Oh, come here, tell us how long time you spending.
How much for put it?
Done with school,
How much for tell Fatty?
Tell Fatty say, your cousin, you meet her on the road.
Yeah.
And she basically, now I know if you stay for a couple of days.
Yeah.
And you're not a bad person.
No, she know that.
No, you have to tell her again.
Yeah.
You're not a bad person, and you really want to help your cousin, cause family.
Cause I know me like help people.
And blood.
Yeah.
Is thicker than, you know what I mean? So
that's what you give me.
Well said. So you tell her that now. Don't tell her say I miss if you tell her say
not tell him say you say.
Don't say that, because if you tell him say I miss it, if you tell you that,
yeah.
No, you're not gonna work out.
Christ.
Cause you be nervous, you know. Me know you're nervous out on the thing.
Alright. Me I go do that. Just hope say work. But you know.
Police you call me again, brother.
You stay up on your front. You say if you not work, I hear me call you. Just hurry up and come link me down
there.
So
when Ponce there, I don't want to do with Ponce.
Jesus Christ. Tell him say you come check me no man. How much time you tell me man tell me I come check you.
Ponce, I want vigorous valve, you know. Yes, Ponce. It's so rich. I'm waiting patiently, honey. I'm gonna wait patiently.
Alright, you are going now. My brethren say, in girlfriend or a married girlfriend, I can check him. So, when you say I'm going there now, in girlfriend I check him maybe for today and tomorrow. So, when me have to go do now, me have to go tell mom a lie. Say, you're my cousin. When me you can go down there, you can stay for 1 2 days till my brethren girlfriend gone. You can come stay with my brethren till me get the money next week for rent the place.
Hold on. Me not like that talk there. And you me want to stay, me not want to stay with your brethren. And you know that already. So here me have to see. You see all the brethren too, me not like his style. A while ago, him a who you not see what he do?
He just a bit nice.
No, me not like man me stay so you. Me not want no man a pull me a haul me son a touch me so me not like man. Remember say you not stay so you know? But say you just talk to me and me talk. You know, stay like him.
But remember, sir, touch me make me in a relationship and you like, you know. My brethren are not one pervert, you know. You just like flirt.
And then he might take off my bag. When I take off my bag,
help out your customer service.
No, me no want him to do that to me. Me no like
it. Town run, you know, but nigga run different, you know. But yeah, right, you are going now. Come in have enough time. You are now cousin. Me and your cousin. And when I say cousin, no soup no in it. No soup no boil, we are cousin.
Alright. Me what you say, you not have to explain.
What school you used to go? Alright, it no matter.
Just
If
tell
you,
him say me used to go at Godfrey.
Me and you used to go to same school.
Yeah.
Yeah? So anything me say, you know back up it, you follow. So we are cousin. And we don't say one another long, so that me have to go tell him, you know. So you can't tell him, you know.
Just do what you have to do.
Fatty mad, you know.
Do what you have to do. Come on, yeah, man.
Hold on, no. I told you, you know. You go down here so far, you know. Then you come stay here so with public, you know.
Me say me not stand with public. Me a go down there so.
Give me back with me to care about.
Then you get the place rent for me.
Alright, go on.
No, stay with no public. Me no want stand with him. In go on with him pound fee.
Alright, come on. So, cuz, what go on?
No.
You have to make it look pretty, you know. You have to make it look pretty, you know. Come in, no, cuz, man. No dog, no there, you know, man. Fatty, babes. Babes.
Yeah.
Ah, boy. Babes.
What happened?
Boy, I don't know. You come like me a Jesus Christ or me a Lord Savior. As we fix one problem, me and public, one more problem come up. Jesus Christ.
What kind of bag that you have on your shoulder?
Babes. Me say me and public go down in the town and we sort out the problem. The man and lady go back again. Jesus Christ. You see when me a come home, up a red ground, me cousin. You know how long me no see him? 2 auntie pitney. Jesus Christ. I man me say I beat him. Shoot him back them. In a road people are laughing and sitting there. Jesus Christ.
So what that have to do with me?
Hold on. Remember me tell you say I'm my auntie pitney. You want left him in a road with him close him? No, tell me the truth now. No, just tell me the truth now, baby.
So where should they?
Me can't just bring him so I no can't tell her the situation first.
But if you're your cousin, because you're couldn't mad. You're couldn't mad.
Me couldn't mad for left him.
You couldn't mad carry no woman come here. That me I tell you.
No say so, man.
So me not worry about that. I have your cousin. So we have our stand up out there so me know how them things
and
go.
My cousin no soup no in a way me I tell you say my cousin.
Right. That's why I say why you have our stand up out and do it like that.
Me have to go and tell her first.
You can invite her in.
Come in, my cousin. Come in. You look scared and why? The man lick you. How should come here? I want you lick you again. Jesus Christ.
So what we are gonna do?
Why? In your head. Which part? Jesus Christ, Father.
Evelyn.
Oh, sorry, babes. Johnny's my cousin. One of my favorite cousins. I don't say one another long. My baby. Yeah, me call her Fatty.
Hi.
Yeah, you see me.
So how long we not see each other?
How long now?
1.5 years now, I see my ex.
You who?
What you say?
What you say a while ago?
Sorry. I told my ex beat me now, lick me now.
Oh, your ex beat you, making you remember what you have to say. Cause your friend me look wild, come and play that house thing, you know.
My cousin, my favorite cousin.
My favorite cousin, man, you know. You know how long me not see him? Round one and a. Tell you what, you always a make man a beat you, you know. My woman no beat me, you know.
Trying to make no man beat you, you call.
Fatty no beat me, you know.
I don't even know what is happening.
Fatty no beat me, Fatty just put me in my place. You understand? A matter of fact, sit down, cause you come like you're so faint. Sit down.
So, what you gonna do? What your arrangement for her?
Why? Babes.
But go on, what you do? Rent a place? Please,
let me tell you what happened now. Public a one good youth, you know. Public a one good youth.
Public again.
And public again, you know, you see angel. Angel. Public a one good angel. Public tell me say, like when I have the money now, when I not say still, I go rent a local place. Give him 1 month place to put him on his own. You understand? That, no? And then he say he can find one local man down here or something.
Do that.
You can work on the site up here. Can hold for woman. Anyway, public side I come in have the money. I'm going to just make him stay because he have a little 2 room up there.
Right.
Yeah. So I'm going to make him stay in one of the room and part of it one curtain. You understand? And then when me get the money now, I can rent the place now and she can go up on her own. But your public girlfriend I can check him now. So after 2 days, she can just stay back with public. You understand?
I don't want to stay with public. I'm comfortable with my cousin. I don't want to stay with my cousin.
B, Boy, you know, say try your cousin. Because you know, no girl whatsoever can come in my house, you know. And plus, when me there on that background there, I not like keep down nothing low. But you see, because say your family, and you say your family and everything, and I know you're not sick in your head because nobody else in here. You understand? She can't stay until she put herself back on her, you know, on her feet and them something. Because I know how man and woman think.
2 days. Anytime public woman gone, 2 days.
She says she's not comfortable about public. She can stay here as long as she wants.
What you say?
Now your cousin, where are we?
2 days.
She can't stay. Why problem? Make she stay. Make she stay.
You can't stay, babe.
Because public, you know how public stay.
You can't stay. One more thing too. Allow me a cousin. Fatty no like when people touch me. Only my mother here.
Thanks, cuz. Thank you.
Later. Babe, me I go lie down, me that hurt me.
Alright, go if I'm not you go and go fresh up the bathroom there around there, so and you just do a little thing. Go and go take a go hold and fresh up, yeah. Me show you where you go sleep. God, there's a problem. I don't know why we must have a charity fund to backside.
Hello?
You reach.
I reach.
So what happened?
Missy for your friend coloring book.
Well, before I start that, why every time you have to come with people's tour and business, right now, you know, long I want to see you, so I'm going in the room and go do with things.
Hello, let me tell you something. Miss your friend coloring book pass it on Slimmers. And that the man there one burner. So you can't tell me say that the man the woman. Hey, let me tell you something, don't play with me and I come lick her down, you know. You see how when I bother me will lick her down.
Punsi, me depend that to the Punsi. Punsi, yo, just you there know if you're supposed to calm me nerves. I've been having a rough day. You understand me? I say, someone know what you talk about the man one burner.
Where them something. Hey, come show me.
So hold on.
Me say come show me.
Yeah, for woman, film me or film. Where you go?
I know film woman that
so
day.
What you want to know about him business for?
You realize you come near yard. I know film woman and fear woman. Come say
I know film woman. I know.
Come show me, girl.
Can go up a room?
Nonsense.
Just never go down there. No, go.
Come show me, girl, dead dog. Come in, I believe you. You're lied.
Christ. Why public make mama come down here?
How are you, girl?
What?
Hello.
Mama, what? A long time I see you. What?
The evening not good. The evening not good at all. Where girl?
Which girl?
Your friend woman, what's she there?
My friend woman.
One slim girl. Me see when the girl come over here.
Hold on. A 2 woman there. Come here, baby.
What excitement for?
My babes. Cuz.
Yeah.
Come here, my cousin. Come here. I'm a cousin. Babes, where me call him Fatty, my baby. I'm a cousin. No more man in there.
No. What happened?
No man, I just. Babes, Fatty, cousin, no soup thing.
Public, why drama you bring to come?
So like, I know him bring no drama, yeah, me I watch him.
Yeah, what happened?
Fatty. You know, mama jealous.
Exactly, that's why I wonder why problem now.
Yeah, what going on now?
Hey, don't play with me now.
Don't
play with me now. You see your friend bring cause here. I know see you want the girl now. Don't play with me now.
Me? Yeah, me woman?
No.
You ever look here?
Yeah, me woman?
Hold on.
Yeah, me woman?
What kind of thing?
Yeah, me woman?
You ever look at girl?
Hold on.
Me never look funny.
How long in coming now? Cause come.
Just today come here. Look up hours ago in come here.
That me a talk about just today. So you couldn't have time for. I'm a talk fact.
You're too jealous.
Public now have time for look nobody. You know you call up on the phone about yesterday. Big up. Yo, give me back that.
Boy, you know big man boy, but
hold on. That is confusing enough. You know move out.
Move away.
Fatty.
Girl,
hungry.
Me just go away for your time, but me come back for me man now.
Go Fatty go cook now. Fatty go and go cook.
No, but he.
Fatty.
He left yesterday saying.
Fatty.
Girl, me come back for me man now.
Go and go cook. Public, come on.
Me come back for me man now.
Come here, let me say something.
I just that me the one.
Come here, let me say something to you. Public. I rate you, you know. And you make me a turn one burner, you know. Come out of me yard, yeah, man. Big up Fatty. Fatty. My son come. Look come over here.
Later here.
Alright.
Later here.
Public. Me can't get you 2 grand to buy the beer. If you buy the beer.
Alright.
If you buy the beer, you want me 2,000 more. I have cool red stripe.
Me have change all the kind of them shop.
Alright. Alright. Alright.
You're lucky, you know. But you know, some love you. You're lucky, you know. Because I say me did just put on one World War III. Oh.
Every minute a drama, because you hear me tell you, it's public.
I'm mad, you know. Punce, I'm mad.
Me no business. Me no business. You too jealous.
Me no want no drama, I punce down here, so. You only drama I want with me and you. You count me in a maid. Come on, man.
But I more while. Every minute, so. Every minute, a girl just come here and he have everything say girl and him there already.
Babes, load them business, because we deal with true business.
Then enough for me, them I carry. Me have neighbors and all type of something and them I rich. You alright, you know, man. Me not even make you stress me out right now, you know, because you have a problem. Oh, girl, you can't even get nothing.
Jesus Christ. Cause.
Alright, cause. Yes, I want.
Sit down here, so look at it.
What they going? I want to with them people that come in our yard. You see the reason why I tell you something they want to know for public yard? Eh?
God.
In cause.
Listen what I say now. You see a brown girl, eh? You see when you see him on the right, you take the left. You see if you say hey, no say B. He ain't mad. He will whole public and papa in hand, you know. And papa in foot, you know. So when you see them, you see them. Understand?
That a female public business making kill public, but not can't touch me because I not trouble him. I not trouble him, man. He can't go on with the idiot man. I don't want him, man, cause I know that.
Yes, babes.
I want to take your son and him say me ready.
Cause I don't need her, man. She can take her man out.
Me a forward.
Come now.
Me a forward come.
Now.
Alright. No say nothing. No say nothing. No say nothing. Jesus Christ. I want to ruin this place.
Yes.
No say nothing. Babes.
Me tell us I'm ready. I mean me ready.
How are you? Look at Mr.
Good morning.
Morning.
You know, I want some make back so early.
I come back right now.
You can breakfast tonight?
No, I close this. Because if we do
go tonight?
No, I come to stay. Because if we do miss the girl, I still not believe what I go on, so I come to stay.
You mean come to stay? Well, once you talk to me first. Alright, so let's look a bit. Make a reason this thing fast.
I want to know why not this reason about me, so I come to stay. So let me see.
I am saying we can't agree for too long. And we know that. We established that. You're mad. Me mad sometime, but you're mad. You understand me? I say, every day before we do it, we cuss. After we do it, we cuss again. Someone don't know what's going to happen. We expect what we're going to kill with what about on yours? Eh? What you expect to happen now? Talk to me now. So you know pack up things and you know say we have a fiery kind of relationship. It better when just, you know, back and forth like we always do and make it run that way there.
You know say I'm mad.
What?
You know say you mad. Your unsound mine.
What mean? Don't come like unsound.
No, tell me nothing.
No, unsound
your
no,
unsound mine. I don't mean mad, you know. Mr. I come to stay. Because right now, me da got one little trust issues are going on my head right now. And
trust issues?
What mean?
Hello. And you are woman, but we established that we can't stay in a one house for too long.
Don't care.
Yes, the attitude in the eye, that causes a problem. Anytime your eye twitch and twitch and twitch, everything just turning out. Listen, I say, anything you want to do, I could do it one next time. What did
We should do it next time. Let me tell you something. No girl now contact my man. No. You hear me I tell her? And I run that's what I go right now. Excuse her foot.
No girl now. No.
Excuse her foot. Excuse. Out and bright. Nonsense. Rubbish.
Pussy, let's start this over now. Let's start this. Mine lick over the pot.
B. I said every time you look for me, you feel like you want to drop asleep. I said you 1 week to me. Eh?
Fatty, you know, I'm weak already, fatty man.
Right now, all the cousins look like you're not even weak as it.
Eh?
Yeah.
You know weak yet?
Because
I'm
bad
tired,
to bad,
man.
you know. No man not supposed to treat no woman, say, you know.
Fatty man asleep, fatty.
B.
Eh?
Me a talk to you.
What you say now?
Me say, you me not like the situation that happened to your cousin. Me not like that.
Oh, me not like him either, man. Man beat him up and bust up in face and all him say man kick him in him belly and him thing they like.
Hear they.
Suppose she are pregnant and him thing.
Hear they, like
that.
she's a dog or anything.
Yes,
You know, but B, if you even dream, you know, say you do that, you know. No wake, you know.
Do what?
To me.
What?
That what she go through, cause no woman never go through that.
Man. If me kick her, me I kick your tongue.
And then as the girl come here,
fatty.
As the girl come
Fatty.
here, look
Fatty.
there, public and feel mad woman.
Fatty.
I can't take it pan the girl.
Fatty, you hear me? LOVEYO.
You.
Me and go through them things,
Man,
baby.
chow.
I want to your fatty man.
I tell you need to talk to public.
You know, so I chat about that. You know, so I go check him coming alive or go on yesterday.
Exactly, girl, just come here,
He
girl,
just
not
bring
even
mad
rest
cow
good
down
yet.
here, so I wait make you get a well come out of pen for man. Jesus Christ.
After I'm telling me, say she left me, why I don't know, that the girl left me just gone, and I come back.
You know, say, me I go check him right now, you know, babes. Matter
Do
of
that,
fact,
man.
I go save my cousin wake too.
Do that, because
we are
God
going,
knows,
clean
thing
up
you
the
know if
place.
you do asleep. When it's in a film hand then, it's up. You
Fatty.
sleep like a young baby.
Fatty, let me tell you something, man. It's like how my cousin there, you know. We can't play football every night, you know. You have to cut it down, you know. Fans
What?
there, you know.
What? Him better go find somebody to play football with, because you can cut down my team. You sick? You better go check.
Fatty.
Go and go check
Fatty,
pan him, yeah.
listen me. Remember say, we can't fight like how we used to fight.
No
now.
big woman. No big woman.
So you want to hear?
Your cousin watch you?
Watch who?
Eh?
No say so, man.
So then what you are talking about, we have our own privacy door lock.
Me
You
must
realize
play
it?
soup in a family.
That
thing.
lock.
No
Once
soup
that
in a
lock,
thing,
you
no.
can't tell me. Cut down pan.
Yo, me I go check public camera.
I must mad. Go on. You're bright. But you want
Alright,
cut down. Cut down pan who?
How you say I go look about in the morning?
I don't know. I don't go and think about something. By the time I come back, I cook.
Alright. Cause morning, I don't know say you wake.
Morning.
Look tired, man.
You know fair. Come here.
I'm here,
So
man.
fatty alone here make I use fan. I'm around here hot. What happen?
What you mean?
What you mean? So you mean fatty alone make I use fan in there out here hot and I don't have no fan to use.
Grill up on the veranda. So if you're hot at us, open me the door because I grill up.
I don't want you that. Come.
Wait, girl, how you do? Fatty no say no fatty kill her. Jesus Christ. As much mosquito in our house, man.
Why you not got it?
Eh?
Why you not got it?
Now I move and a mosquito up on my cousin's foot and I kill him.
So she a handicap?
No, he wasn't handicapped, but asleep, he must sleep.
I'm glad to see you awake.
Asleep, he must sleep, man.
Yeah.
Cause I will wake you.
Yeah, we
I will wake you.
You know no pain.
Put something for you, man, because mosquito and something.
You hungry?
We're good. I'm ready. Make both something.
Go on, man. You have to get
Cause may I check public here.
Well, the mosquito. Go
Alright.
on.
Alright.
You hungry? Eh? Hungry?
I'm ready for nothing to eat yet.
So how many see no mosquito blood on your foot and you say kill mosquito?
No, you wipe it off. Wipe off it.
It's alright. You know no ache and pain and then something to do. No,
not right now.
You know got no doctor, right? Alright, if you want nothing, you know me there.
Yeah, alright. Come here, Fatty. How did I go on in the cell last night?
What you mean?
Like a fight when you did round there fight.
Baby, on a fight, we are fighting now. We are rough fight, love fight. You understand? That's how we do it here. Here, get used to it.
Okay.
Okay. Later.
Alright.
And a ramp for here, baby. Yeah.
Public. You look like, what go on yesterday? What go on yesterday, public?
Brother, right now, mama, up a yard saying, nah, come out, you know. Nah, man, I should come spend one like a weekend or one like a one day and go back at work. Brother.
Public, watch my finger.
Yeah.
Mama, up a yard.
Up a yard. Live and living.
Public, you have to make mama cut. Me must say, a 2-3 days, me make him sit down a yard for you know.
But we don't know, say, right now.
And he ship back, come back up a 4 yard, you know.
No shipping, no sealing. That seal have your cut. Because this a woman I say she not left. And she had said to me, said this morning, say, yo, I go back for more clothes.
What you say?
Yeah, and he take some of my clothes and go and wash.
Public, you tell me if you care, you man down here, you know.
Yeah, but
I know you're judged at the situation.
no, you have to understand, say, sometimes.
You must say you say you like your girl in the public.
Yeah, me I like her for right now. Just right now. But you must say, remember saying, you know, sometimes in life, you know, people tell you things, you know, you have ideas. But you don't have to take everything. You can push down someone say that no work for me. But you just take it because what you want. You want the woman.
Hey,
see?
Public, you saw mama rough up here yesterday. Oh, if Fatty no rough me up, you know. Fatty girt me out. Yo, me no want that happen to me, you know.
Well, I'm afraid that, you know, because I start down there yesterday and she talk loud. And I saying loud, man.
Yo, you know, say yesterday when you say, you know, say Fatty come like him say, that's what I mean.
Yeah, because
come like him see, you know.
Brother, alright. I'm going to tell you what really going on now. See? Because that woman, I'm still like her and I'm still with her, you know what I mean, interested in her a certain way. But
you know, me nah this about you come like a thing of water down.
What do you mean by that?
Because you tell me, say you're done with him. You're done with him.
But front to front.
Jesus
front can't too much. Eh? You never know that.
You know, say all along.
Nice
one good example me feel say you give me, you know. You tell me one good thing in a life. Just one good thing, say don't let Fatty. That you want. You come like everything else you tell me. You just attack something where you see on TV.
Because me want you whole Fatty and we have everything else. So, listen to me. You say, right now I want to know how to get rid of Punsy right now, but Punsy is not left. Because I'm still interested with that girl. Like, you know, so she look brother, naturally and all them things there. Eh? Why you have to give her away?
Punsy love money.
Punsy love everything.
One day I could have called him, tell him say I see number on social media and call him and tell him say I want money for give him. Make him come out. Make him come out and just move in for me, cousin, for me. Me always as a cousin, my ex-cousin, whatever.
Your cousin? Call me cousin.
And you just move him in right away.
That's how working in China. But the thing is, I got black my because I not get Punsy number.
I can't use my number neither.
Yeah, I not get Punsy number.
Jesus Christ,
so what I go do is block the number and you make a call. Right there so. And because we now make a call at no other time. You understand what I say?
You feel saying work?
Punsy gullible enough so anything work.
But you feel saying one cut?
Money is the root of all evil.
Me nah bother do that, you know, because if you find out, you know, mad woman that, you know.
But when you find out, I know me, are you going to have a problem? You can deal with problem, you know. Problem are something you can always solve, but me can't solve them.
Oh, so me are the actor, and you are write the movie. Public. This morning, no, me and Fatty ramp last night, but we never ramp loud, because you know, my cousin did it. As me walk out.
Well, not even pause for a second. You know, say, me the right there with Punsy a reason. In a late night, because Punsy love bright moonlight. I hear somebody I say, if I murder somebody, I murder somebody down the road. And I feel wonder what. I feel turn back Punsy face for me because Punsy love people business and love mix up. You understand me I say? But at the end of the day, me no want hear say, Fatty, are you in a serious? I walk on, we don't know.
Boy, we in a ramping shop last night and me nah dribble, me nah score no whole heap of goal because you know say, me shit. Me no want my mouth slip when me decide to Fatty, you know. Me cousin in the next room. So me I tell him say, turn it down, me nah score no whole heap of goal. Fatty no business. Fatty want me to score 10 goals.
Oh, and she get misery. I see a simple thing.
Come out now. Me a pass my cousin now.
Rough ramping.
My ex-cousin. Uma tell me say, How no fan in a room a fatty alone more give fan like you in care fan. Hold me in my chest and carry me down like you want. Papa make me garment. Me have to say, yo, fatty. Me have to say fatty in the fatty kill me and kill you. Boom, by time I say that now, the door pull.
Fatty come out.
Me have to do so boom like me I kill a mosquito upon him and go wash off in the sink.
Fatty.
Hey, Fatty, no believe that, you know?
No, because I don't believe in either. Some of the things she gonna believe.
Boy, I not trust Fatty, you know. Me one day Fatty, if something, he might think about Sana, my cousin.
Let me tell you something, man. She was watch and wait for your time.
You don't like a girl again, public?
Like a girl, man, but you are going like say you feel like you fear she alone. You get her already. Yo, life is a relay, man.
I want him public.
Pass it back now to me then, man.
Then that more do.
But basically, who you are?
I mind there. Because I know I see Kurt move or I fan.
You serious? I joke, man.
No, man, serious, man. Take time to talk, man. Jesus Christ. I will Fatty want you know, man. I tell Fatty to me I come check you. Fatty, what go on now?
I don't want to go hear me, no.
Fatty, talk to me, no, man. Why pray, Fatty? Alright, Fatty. Me tell you something I can check public, you know. Just give me 5 minutes. Me I can link you. Alright. Is someone you call me?
Yes, honey. I love you so much. I want you to know that I'm down the road gonna buy some patty and cocoa bread and all them something like that. I know you love patty and cocoa bread. I'm not outside, you know. I'm not outside. I'm down the road buying patty and cocoa bread. So just give me a few minutes and I come back. I don't know if you're up. I don't know if you're up or you're down. But I come. I want to be like, you know, say, my life and my... I say, all right. Everything good.
Sorry, I couldn't hold him.
One thing them who laugh best, you know.
Yo, couldn't hold him. Couldn't hold him laugh. Yeah.
Fatty down there?
Yeah.
All right, let's go check Fatty.
Yo, how are you? Oi, me must have help out yesterday, you know.
So make you laugh off of me then.
Me must have help out yesterday, you know.
So what that mean?
Oi, me must have
all right, hear me I say.
Yo.
I'm going to check Punsi and reason a certain way because right now I don't like where I'm going. I feel like, say, boy, are you tell that girl here, which is your cousin, which is your ex, and you tell her, say, don't like
about
me.
The ex, no, man.
And you tell her, say, don't like me. I feel, say, you do that.
Hey, girl,
and when
me
she
saying
come,
like you.
no.
You might play hard.
No, I feel, say, right now, and you do that. Everything good, man. Everything good. I say, girl, when you trust people and things, say, them are your friend and all them something in the car. The girl don't come down and me see her face and she look upon you.
Public.
You just public.
Public, look more, my friend. Look more.
Yeah, baby. Me down at the party shop, but them a say they don't have no chicken with cheese. So you know if you want and then I have no soy patty. But everything alright? Oh, you sound so angry with me. Eh? No man, me not the outside man. No. Eh? Yeah, actually, please I get noisy. Yeah. So, me just buy beef patty and come. Yeah, me soon come, honey. I love you very much. Yes.
Babes. Fatty. Me fatty, gatti. Me fatty, gatti. Where me fatty there? Where got? How I go on? How are people? Fat. You can't answer. How are you doing at this room here? Where Fatty there?
She gone on the road, she won't come back, she gone do something on the road.
Oh, I forgot that she called me, say she a gosh. Oh, my friend, rate you. Public, rate you. Pay talk him a talk about you.
I'm alright,
you know, so you rate him too. You rate him too, you know?
Him can't go on, you know. Are you going to rate, you know? I don't say you rate, I go on.
Oh, no bother with that.
Stop that. How are you run for?
Me nah run.
I
Remember say I'm ex, you know. Me know say I have no hand, you know. Oi, Fatty kill you and kill me.
Come, tell me about Fatty. Me no want hear nothing about Fatty. You go on so. Where you go on so, man?
Me nah go on.
Where you go on so?
I want to.
Stop.
Remember say I'm ex. Girl.
Stop. You go on to shy, you know.
Me nah go on shy, girl.
Me know your weak spot,
Girl,
you know.
stop now, you turn me on. Girl, you turn me on, you
You
know.
don't want fire stick.
Girl, I want you.
Eh? Go on down there, so babes. Fatty, you go on like say, and she alone want this a bear stick, yeah.
You guys have made it to the end of this movie. Thank you all for watching. Make sure so you go and support Coloring Book TV, because you know so they are going to put in your work as usual. Big up Public Report TV as well, and big up Coloring Book. You know say they are going to put in your work. Because from other day people, as you know see, we don't get to drop no new movie because we kind of run out of actress at the moment. So if any actress out there in the world would want to work with Coloring Book TV, Public Report said we, just contact the number up on the screen. 799-2758. And as I said, big up everybody in the movie I said we. Big up everybody who ever push out the strength for Coloring Book TV. You have nothing to say, me general?
Alright, you hear me I say no. As I say, you see people them watch out the thing. You get me? And they must stay real in themselves as a fans. Yo, I just want to tell you, whole heap of respect, whole heap of thanks. Because you see movie thing, you know, easy. Sometimes when you see we not post the movie, we don't even know how feel how we if you know say we're not going to the movie for watch. But Coloring Book fans, you just keep it real. Remember, you see a movie, just watch it and tell what you think. Comment and everything. Big up everybody in that movie, one public.
Yeah. You don't know, so they are all the time. So big up for yourself and thank you for support. You see? Unity is strength. Teamwork make the dream work. Oh, outside.
Boom!